In this video, let's check two more functions you can use in PyScript to plot custom bar and candle charts. So here I have some code and I already got a VIX open, high, low, close. And what I want to do, I want to plot like VIX charts in addition to my already S&P chart I have on my screen. So how can I do that? So it's quite easy to do that. You can use plot bar function to plot like a custom bar chart, and all you have to do is just specify like open variable, high variable, low and close in this order, and that's basically it. So now let's edit the chart so you can see how it works. And as you can see, it seems to work pretty nicely. We have like on the bottom of our chart we have another kind of custom chart we created, and we can customize this chart as we want to. So let's look at other parameters of this plot bar function. So first of all, of course, you can specify a color. How do you want to color your bars? So previously I plotted it, as you can see, they all blue, but you can change that with your color parameter, and here you can specify with conditional operator, you can specify what should be a rule for you to how do you want to color your bars. So let's save it and see how it looks. And as you can see now, they're colored green and red, depend on if close above the open, and as you can see, it's quite easy. Also, plot bar has another few parameters similar to other parameters for other like plotting function parameters. And you can see you can specify like a title, you can set editable to true or false, you can just show last 100 bars, and also you can choose to display it or to hide it by default. Let's save it and see how it looks. So here, for example, we display only last 100 bars. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple function. Now let's check plot candle function, and it's quite similar to plot bar function, but it will plot you candle chart by default. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice. You have, but they're all now blue, and but you can change this quite easily as well. And as you can see, I call it absolutely the same way I call plot bar function. I just specify like open, high, low, close variables with data for this for all these values, and that's quite easy. Also, you can specify colors. How do you want to color your bars? Here I just passed some conditional operator with like some color green and color red selection depending on my condition, and as you can see, it works pretty nicely. We have nice colors, and you can kind of add much more complicated conditions. If you want to have like 3-4 colors, that's not a problem. Just create like a nested conditional operator that will work quite fine. And the last thing I want to show you a few parameters for a plot candle function. In addition to the color of like the body of the candle, what you can do, you can also change wick color, and also you can change border color, so it will match your expectation perfectly. So let's save it and see how it works. Here you can see I plotted like my wick and like the border in blue, but you can change colors to completely customize the style of the candles you want to see on your chart.